Okay, here is that crappy motor. It's starting to do it again. So I don't know if you could hear it with all the noise and stuff outside, but you see when I move this, you can see it jumping. And you can't get it to spin like you could like normally. See, if I do this, it's just tight. And that's it. So there's clearly something wrong, but when I hook electricity up to it, sometimes it goes away. So I'm going to try that. Okay, now I got the power hooked up to it and battery and stuff. So now if I turn this, it works. And we got that sort of working. And now when I turn this, see how it just spins? And before it was binding and whatever. So I don't know what the hell's wrong with it, but that's the third time it's done that now. So there's something wrong with that motor in my opinion. So I'm gonna get it put together and ride it for a while today or this weekend and see what happens. But there's, you know, it'll turn good this time. But then the next time it binds, right? So anyway,